Dear student, welcome back again in our today's session. So, as you can see that today we are going to discuss about on the topic techniques of data collection. Under this topic, today we will discuss about interview. In previous lecture, we have already discussed about questionnaire, types of questionnaire, and advantages and limitations of questionnaire. And now, today we will discuss about interview. First, we will discuss about the meaning of interview. What is interview? So basically, if we talk about the concept of interview, so interview is kind of a face-to-face interaction which helps in providing more honest answers and responses from the participants as the interviewer here the one who is interviewing and works directly with the respondent or the interviewing the person who is being interviewed. Unlike questionnaires, the interviewer has an opportunity to ask follow-up questions. This is very best method for those questions which requires opinion, suggestion from the respondent. So basically, if we talk about interview, so an interview is a way to collect the data by having a conversation with someone. A researcher asks questions to a person either in person, over the phone call, or online, and the person shares their thoughts, suggestions, and experiences. The researcher listens and record the answers, which are then used to understand the person's perspectives and gather the information. Now, next, we will discuss about the types of interview. If we talk about the types of interview, so interview can be categorized in different types. The first one is structured interview. If we talk about the structured interview are those interviews in which the questions that are to be asked from the respondents are prepared and pre-planned in advance by the researcher. The researcher imposes those prepared questions on the respondent serially and notes down the answer given by them. And the second one is unstructured interview. Unstructured interview is just opposite to the structured interview. Interview are said to be unstructured when the researcher conducts an interaction with the respondent in an informal atmosphere. Nothing is pre-planned in advance. The response of the sample gives a clue to the researcher to ask the next questions. Now, the next one is semi-structured. If we talk about the semi-structured interview, so basically semi-structured interview includes the number of planned questions, but the interviewers has more freedom to modify the wording and order of questions. So basically, semi-structured interview is a mixed kind of interview of structured and unstructured interview. Now, the next one is focused interview. Focused interview is conducted basically to get focused in-depth information on any given issue from the respondent. It is one of the types of unstructured interview. Now, the next and the last one is telephonic interview. If we talk about the telephonic interview, as the name suggests, this type of interview is conducted on phone in order to save the time and money. The researcher may call the subjects or sample through telephone and ask them questions to collect data. This method helps in saving time and energy, but the sample gets limited to only that part of the population who have the faculty of telephones at their residences or offices. Next, we are going to discuss about the advantages of interview method. What are the advantages of interview method? There are so many advantages of interview method for the researcher. As you can see that the first one is it is possible to collect face-to-face information, and the second one is in-depth information can be obtained through the interview method. Now, the third one is it is possible to structure the questions as per the objectives during the interview. Now, the next one is non-response by the respondents is minimized. You can ask more questions during the interview. Now, the next one is it is possible to observe the body language also of the respondent. The researcher can also use observation method while using the interview method. Now, the next one is the information obtained is more accurate and reliable. Now, the next one is misunderstanding of questions can be minimized. Researcher can explain as the researcher are physically present to clarify the questions, to clarify the doubts to the subjects. So there are so many advantages of interview. Now next, in this slide, we are going to discuss about the limitations, disadvantages of interview method. So as you can see that there are few disadvantages also of interview method. As you can see that the first one is this method is very expensive whenever large sample is taken. Now, the second one is the interviewer interviewing can be biased many times. Now, the third one is the process is time consuming in comparison questionnaire method. Now, the next one is the information sometimes is concealed, and the next one is under the process of interviewing, systematic errors may be introduced. And the last one is interviewing can be tiresome for large number of participants. So these are the disadvantages of interview method, but interview method is most important method for the researcher. Thank you.